at a rest, shifting bobbins, coarse and fine, they fairly mak ye work for your 10 and 9. Oh dear me, I wish the day was done. Running up and down the pass is no nae fun. Shifting, piecing, spinning, warp, weft and twine, tae feed and cled my bairnies often 10 and 9. Oh dear me, the world is ill divided, for them that works the hardest, and I we least provided. But I mun bide contented, dark days or fine, there's nae much pleasure living often 10 and 9. Oh dear me, the mill's gane fast. Those are the most famous words of Dundee daughter Mary Brooksbank, who lived for the most part of the 20th century. So famous are these words, they're actually carved in stone on the Canongate wall of the Scottish Parliament. And she's the only woman to have words carved there. All this from a girl who started working in the jute mills of Dundee, aged 12, this was before the First World War, and went on her first strike, aged 14. Mary described the conditions in the Dundee jute mills of the 1930s as a living hell of poverty and work. She said that the lines, "Oh dear me, the mill's gane fest," was a ditty often sung by the women in the mill as they worked, and she took that and added to it. The words on the Canongate wall are, "The world's ill divided, them that work the hardest are aye the least provided." Despite working in jute mills all her life, Mary wrote great poetry that was really lofty and aspirational. Her avowed goal in life was to do down with capitalism.